The Bolzoni Group is leader in the manufacture of forklift truck attachments, lift tables and hand pallet trucks. 20 direct branches, of which 7 are production plants. Bolzoni is active in 25 countries with a worldwide spread sales net. Since June 2006, Bolzoni SPA is listed at the Italian Stock Exchange. Today, Bolzoni enters the lift truck and general handling fork business with an absolutely innovative production line, thanks to the quality standard that it is able to assure and to the automation level. The automation and the application of the most updated hot stamping and heat treatment technology allow to produce optimum quality forks that satisfy both the customer flexibility requirements and the most severe norms in force. The production plant is based in Piacenza, Italy, and is the world's most advanced in this sector. One of the important targets achieved, thanks to the automation, is that of the traceability of the product through all production phases, starting from the raw material batch. The first working phase consists in the saw cutting of the bar. After the chamfering, the steel bars are carried in a flame cutting workstation to obtain the top tip shaping. Forks are driven to the induction heating plant. The three-phase heating occurs in the bending area and fork heel upsetting. The upsetting of the heel is obtained in a closed die, with a complete control on the shape and the steel fiber disposition. The press has been studied and built to automatically handle all fork sections in the catalogue. A robot lifts the shaped forks and takes them to the heat treatment phase. The heat treatment, that includes the induction heating, tempering and quenching, is carried out on the whole fork and not only on the heel area, with clear advantages on the quality and on the wear resistance. At the exit of the first furnace, a robot dips the forks in a rapid cooling tank for the material hardening and tempering. A further robot recognizes the fork type, lifts it from the tempering, carries out a fork surface brushing and positions the fork and the fixing hooks for the welding operation. Also, the hooks feeding is carried out through an automatic stocking area. A robot carries out the first tack welding and afterwards 2 other robots completely weld the upper and lower fixing hooks. Forks are now ready for the finishing. A shot blasting process eliminates all impurities to make the surface suitable for an excellent painting anchorage that is applied with an automatic immersion circuit. After the assembly of the hook pins, forks are ready. Each fork is equipped with an identifying code for the traceability of the undergone production processes. A production system that represents an absolute innovation in the sector and is based on the most advanced technologies nowadays available. The whole cycle is controlled by a central system of supervision and control to manage every single phase, from the raw material to the final product. In addition, dimensional and quality checks are carried out online. The reference regulation defines the acceptability parameters that each fork has to exceed to get homologation. Each new fork model put into production is submitted to static, fatigue and resilience tests to satisfy the norm standards. Bolzoni defines a new excellent reference standard for fork production that is the fruit of a constant capacity to innovate and to create better products for material handling.